Let's learn ABC. A for apple. B for baby. C for cat. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for coil. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for wolf. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zooxanny. Counting 1 to 15. 0. ZERO 0. 1. ONE 1. 2. TWO 2. 3. THREE 3. 4. FOUR 4. 5. FIVE 5. 6. SIX 6. 7. SEVEN 7. 8. EIGST 8. 9. NINE 9. 10. TEN 10. 11. ELEVEN 11. 12. TWELVE 12. 13. THIRTEEN 13. 14. FOURTEEN 14. 15. FIFTEEN 15. Let's learn small ABCD. Small A for ant. Small B for banana. Small C for camel. Small d, d for drums. Small e, e for earth. Small f, f for fairy. Small g, g for giraffe. Small h, h for helicopter. Small I for iguana. Small j, j for jackal. Small k, k for kangaroo. Small l, l for lizard. Small m, m for mouse. Small n, n for nut. Small o, o for onion. Small p, p for pig. Small q, q for queen. Small r, r for rhino. Small s, s for sheep. Small t, t for tomato. Small u, u for umbrella. Small b, b for vulture. Small w, w for whale. Small x, x for x-ray. Small y, y for yogurt. Small z, z for zero.
O-N-E-1 T-W-O-2 T-H-R-E-3 3 F-O-U-R-4 F-I-V-5 S-I-X-6 S-C-V-N-7 E-I-G-H-T-8 N-I-N-E-9 T-N-10 10